Hello there, this video explains how to save fuel while driving a car. A few simple, minor steps could significantly reduce how much money you spend on petrol or diesel and the emissions that emerge from your car's exhaust. So let's save fuel, save money and help the environment. That's not bad for one video. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Tip 1. Tyre pressure. Correct tyre pressure minimises fuel consumption, so check it regularly. There's probably a sticker on one of your car's pillars that confirms what the tyre pressure should be. If not, consult the manual or ask a mechanic. He'll do. Also, your choice of tyre influences fuel consumption, so check the specification sticker before purchase. Tip 2. Air conditioning. To save fuel while driving, switch off the air conditioning. This isn't because it's beneficial to stew in a pool of sweat, it's because running the system makes the vehicle work harder and that increases fuel consumption. Is it hot in here? Tip 3. Aerodynamics. Optimise the car's aerodynamic efficiency to save fuel while driving. Anything that reduces its aerodynamic efficiency could increase fuel consumption. So, if practical, remove any roof box, or of course any roof rack, and keep your windows shut. Tip 4. Maintenance. A car that's been serviced and doesn't have any faults is likely to be more fuel efficient than an unloved counterpart. Servicing and repair therefore addresses many of the problems that increase fuel consumption. These include a blocked air filter for the engine, poor wheel alignment and brakes that don't release properly. Tip 5. Driving style. Optimise your driving to save fuel. Smooth and steady is the objective. So, for example, when accelerating, do so gently and move through the gearbox early. In other words, keep the engine revolutions low. The rev counter on your dashboard confirms how quickly the engine's revolving. Furthermore, when slowing down on approach to a junction, lift off the throttle in plenty of time rather than waiting for the last moment then slamming on the brakes. That too can help you save fuel while driving. Finally, when cruising for a long time at a consistent speed, consider what speed is optimum. Generally, for example, it takes more fuel to cover 50 miles at 70 miles per hour than to cover 50 miles at 60 miles per hour. Tip 6. Weight. Your car works harder and therefore burns more fuel if, rather than you alone, it's carrying lots of people and a boot full of heavy luggage. So, abandon any unnecessary weight. It's the perfect excuse to leave any annoying relatives at the side of the road. And that's it. That's how to save fuel while driving a car. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. It's free. Ask any questions in the comments section and do me a favour and click like on this video. Right, that's all for now. I'm off to sell my roof box.